the mountain riding your motorcycle and you see a tree that just has to be yours? Let me introduce you to our newest invention, available now on our website that is not currently built. This is the SurRon blade. Okay, so Cole just brought home the saws. Here's saw number 1. Fits almost on par with the stock tire. Here's Cole carrying the other one. We have our sprocket put together, our rotor put together. We're about to weld on our brackets onto the saw so we can weld it onto our axle. And then after a quick sprucing up, we'll be able to throw it back on the Ron.
These guys keep telling me that it's not perfect. My slogan, don't get it right, get it running. We're never gonna get a video done if we have to freaking listen to these leads, get it perfect. This is what he wants to weld onto our saw blade. What's wrong with that? That's fine. Eoink. But all I'm saying is it would work. And these guys are telling me, it won't work, it's gotta be perfect. The thing's not gonna work in the first place. It's barely gonna handle going through a tree, let alone going through a freaking riding on it or doing anything straight.
Intelligent 54-tooth sprocket design, wonderful 24-inch blade with the most immaculate weld you will ever see, ever, anywhere. I'm talking this baby will cut down anything, anytime, anywhere.
Today, we're gonna be going and we're gonna try to cut a Christmas tree down with this contraption that we've been working on for the past few weeks. It's not beautiful, so don't look too close, but it'll probably get the tree down. We're out here, ready to cut down our Christmas tree. As soon as we figure out what one to cut, because we're in the desert and we actually don't have any pine trees. So.
You said you saw a tree up here?
Yeah, that is good.
The process of picking the perfect Christmas tree. It's very imperative that we have something that fits our home.
I'm gonna try to get all the branches off with
If only we had a saw! Oh gosh. Oh, now we're done testing it.
Not supposed to grab the brake, right?
Getting traction. Alright, slight flaw in our design. We have to figure out the tip over sensor.
That's scary.
As you can see, it's way faster than a normal chainsaw, and you get this comfortable position. If we make the tree sideways, then we can cut it vertically down, and it should cut easier.
So you're suggesting using the chainsaw to cut it in half and then cut it again?
No. What I'm suggesting is we make this tree sideways. Place it in the notch. Hold the front brake, and then give it a little bit of gas. Oh, God. Yeah, you hold the tree. You hold the front brakes. I'll hold the SurRon.
Again with the one-man job.
Yeah, all you need is one person to come out here. Okay, give it the beam. Oh, yeah, bud. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh. Look at that cut. Look at that cut. Look how deep that is. Look how clean of a cut. I guarantee there's nothing on the market that can give you a cut like this can. Or your money back. We won't give you your money back.
Dude, it's cutting good.
Yeah, it's taken like 10 years.
10 years later.
Hey! Look at that clean cut! There's no Dyson in the world that can cut like that.
Dude, that is so square. I love it.
That was a square cut. That was class.
All right, now time to ride.
It might help with traction.
Right. Back at her. I just can't run over the rock. That's dirt. It's okay.
On it.
Yeah, tires. Dude, this thing does good in snow.
He'll do it. Yes, sir.
Look at that. Just cuts its own track.
Oh, dang it. There goes the chain again. Dude, this wheelie's gonna
Nice. What you doing there, pal? You trying to cut a tree down? What tool did you use?
Don't worry, I have a permit. You want to give light amounts of throttle, and it'll get you exactly where you need to go.
Backup is on the way. Dog's right here. We can't give up. Yeah!
Beautiful, dude. Beautiful cut.
I think we're figuring it out.
This is good. That worked way better.
That did work really
We're gonna have
good.
to buy them a Christmas tree.
Oh, shit.
Oh!
Technical difficulties. Body mechanical. Oh, nice. Cole, remember when this happened? Yeah. It's my truck.
Gonna be trapped.
On my bike.
You know, if we had a saw, we could cut all this out.
Sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I'm out of breath.
Yeah, you gotta tug on it and say, that ain't going anywhere.
Yeah, that ain't going anywhere.
Yeah, you're right. Sealed it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you want us to do next.